welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm gonna attempt to make a glossy slime. So I'm gonna use this glue. I only have a little bit, but I think it's enough to make this slime. So just pour in how much glue you want for slime. I'm gonna put that much glue. Then I'm just gonna put a bit of water in it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some foaming hand soap and also some conditioner. I'm using this Suave one. And then I'm also gonna put some hand cream. You can also put lotion, it's like the same thing. Oops. My recording is very bad right now. Anyways, and then of course baby oil for the glossiness, if it turns glossy. I'm really hoping it does because I feel like glossy slime looks super cool. Then after you add all of those, just mix it up. I'm just going to add white paint so it can stay white, because it's a bit yellow right now. And then I just mix it. Still yellow, but whatever. And then, since I kind of want to make it look kind of like a cake, I'm just going to put chocolate, because I don't have like chocolate scent, because I don't have any vanilla. But I'm only going to put a little, because the scent is very strong, even if you put a little bit. Then for the color, I'm just gonna leave it white. Then I'm gonna activate it with the baking soda and contact solution. There are other ways that you can activate your slime though. Okay, then I'm going to start activating it with my multi-purpose contact solution from Walgreens. Just keep mixing a little bit. Just keep putting in your activator slowly and mix it up until it turns to sound, because you don't want to over-activate it. But for this time, I'm going to make it a little sticky because I wanted to add some rainbow foamies to look more like a cake-ish thing. So just keep mixing it and adding activator. Okay, so it's almost slime now. It's just really, really sticky. So I don't want it to be, I want it to be sticky, but not really, really sticky. So I'm just going to mix it a bunch. A little bit more, actually. Okay, my slime, this is my slime. Super, like, I don't know, sticky and watery. It's really watery. I don't know. But anyways, now I'm going to add some rainbow foam. This is probably gonna dye the slime. I don't know. I just want to add it anyways. I'm just gonna add the rest of the big ones because I only have a little. I still have a lot of small ones though. Then I'm going to add some small rainbow foam. Next, I'm just going to dump this inside the bowl filled with foam beads. But I don't know how because it's really watery. Okay, anyways, change of plans. I'm just gonna do this. But it's too messy. Here, I'll just put it inside off camera. Okay, so I managed to put the slime in here. And then I'm just gonna mix all the foam beads inside. I think it's too sticky. I'm just gonna add a bit more activator inside so it's not too sticky, and then I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Okay, so this is how the slime looks like now. It smells really good. The beads are probably gonna dye the slime a different color, like a brownish, yellowish thing. But it's pretty good. Pretty glossy, though. Also, it feels like the super glossy slimes that are super I don't know, that are super watery. Anyways, this is how it looks like at the end. I'm gonna add some more smaller ones because I still have some of them. Taking very long. I'll just put all of them in. And then I finally managed to get all the beads out. So this is the I guess ASMR of the slime. It's a very unsatisfying one because the slime is super sticky. But the slime itself is good without the stickiness. Okay, that is it for today's video. I don't know, I feel like I recorded it really badly and I was very awkward today. But please like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Goodbye.